Hi there and good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Williams-Sonoma. This is ticker WSM. Now, Williams-Sonoma is actually in the Home Builders ETF, and the Home Builders ETF had a really nice move today, and there's a lot of chatter at StockMarketMentor.com about home building stocks today, like Toll Brothers, Pulte, and some others. And while I was researching relative strength in a stock market that actually closed near the lows of the day today, I came across Williams-Sonoma, and I like this setup. We see a chart that's above all its key moving averages, just off the highs, and has clear resistance right around 221.70. And so I want to see a move through and a close above 221.70 here on Williams-Sonoma for a potential actionable trade. Now, you can risk manage that trade via that level. You want to see it get above and stay above, or you can give it a bit of a wider stop and a smaller position down near that 8-day exponential period moving average or the 21-day. And so that's the setup that I'm watching to play out on Williams-Sonoma, and it's just one of many that I'll be sharing with members at Stock Market Mentor tonight. I would love for you to be a member of Stock Market Mentor. See what we're up to. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you there. My name is Scott McGregor. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time.